right, CJ crew. So it's dark out here right now, so y'all can probably barely see me. We poured us some wine in the cups. I threw the bottle away, so I'm being kind of a little mad at me. But we're about to watch the Eiffel Tower light up. Well, we had some glasses they tried to give us from the hotel, but we didn't want to be responsible for those. So yeah, we get ready to watch. Yeah, we're about to watch the Eiffel Tower light up. So yeah, I'll just wait. Good morning, CJ crew. It is your boy Chris and Jay. You saw that bird? Low. Yeah, we are in Paris and we are at the Eiffel Tower again, but this time we are here in the daytime. Oh wow. Yeah.
But you guys, last night we just did not see the Eiffel Tower light up.
Yeah. It stopped at 1 a.m.
Yeah, and we got there at like 1:15, and we thought they were gonna start it up again at 2.
We poured out wine, we sat there, waited, and
it just
didn't happen. So we finally asked somebody, and the man said, "Oh no, it stopped at 1 a.m." So I'm glad we asked, because if we didn't, we'd have probably still been standing there waiting and watching right now.
Waiting
so,
for the light.
Okay, so we in Paris with it, honey. Okay, baby. Little baby. All right, crew, so we ran into a little rain. But it's all good. We puncho out now. Call us Puncho Bays.
Husband.
Wife Bay. Wifeyana.
Wifeyana.
Chris, you wanna write yours too?
Now you can write mine.
Chris.
Write our wedding date.
8, 6, 2, 2. All right, y'all. So we are getting ready to put our lock on the. It won't focus. Chris and Jay, 8622. We're getting ready to put our lock on the gate over here. You ready, babe? All right, crew. So we are getting ready to put our lock on.
So for everything, we're locking forever.
Yes.
It's 26.
Yep.
Where do you want to put it?
Set. Let's go. Lock it.
I can't see the
Oh.
punch over my face.
You got it. You ready?
Yep.
You got it?
I think so.
And it's there. Chris and Jay in Paris. We're locked in. Okay.
Our food is here. Look at these baby pancakes. And we have the view of the Eiffel Tower right there, if y'all can see it. So fab.
All right, CJ crew. So we are out here in the fashion district in Paris. Where you at?
So cool out here.
You running from the camera. I can't see you. But
You want me to take the picture?
oh yeah, that'll be fine. Baby, you enjoying Paris?
I am having an amazing time.
I'm gonna bring you back.
Please, because we just don't have enough time.
Yeah, we want to do so much, but time's so short. We're limited because it was just a layover. But technically, we really was supposed to be here a whole day.
But our flight was delayed.
Yeah, so when they delayed it, it just messed up everything. So it's all good though.
I'm having a good time.
Just another reason to bring you back.
Yep. So I can go to the Louis store because the line was super long.
Yeah, that line is extremely long. So, all right, crew. Yeah. Where you going?
Home. I'm going home.
How was your honeymoon?
I had an amazing honeymoon.
Okay.
Can't wait to do it.
Okay. we honeymooning for the rest of our life, though.
Yep, here.
Every day is a honeymoon.
Can't wait for our next vacation.
Yes. So, with that being said, CJ crew, we're about to